Hi everyone, welcome back for our practical computer skills. In my video, Excel for beginners, I shared or described some of the terminologies used in Microsoft Excel with illustrations. Now in this video, we are going to learn one of the applications of Microsoft Excel, and that is in creating a report card. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to open, yes, I want a blank sheet or a blank workbook, yes. So I'm taking this, you can see, this workbook, we only have one sheet and it's still blank. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to fill in the pupils' names with their respective marks for creating the report card. Now we have these pupils, their gender, and their respective marks. Now what do we need in a report card? We need total marks in all the subjects. So I'll include it here, total. We need an average, yes. Then we also need grade. Then there should be a space for comment, whether someone has passed or has failed. Now we have that. Also, you need to put the name of the school. So I've typed here Dr. Mbuzuli Memorial Primary School, but I need to put it in the middle. So this is what I'm going to do. To the end of the document, to the end of my last column, I'm going to merge and center. So you can see. Next, there should be another heading here. For example, let me put third term, end of third term, end of third term exams, or rather, let me put results for end of third term examination. Still, I'm going to merge and center this. Now we have this. So what are we going to do to get our total? Total is also sum. So what I'll do, I'll highlight from the cell containing the first mark for this Monothelma, the first pupil, to the last cell of social studies. Then I'll get the sum. There's a function for sum up, so that will be easy. Now this is what I'm doing. When I go to the function of sum, click on it just like that. Then do the same for the second pupil. Now after creating the consistency, all I have to do is come here drag down to this. Here, when I need this cell, make this an active cell. Click on it. You can see the formula for the cell is there. So by dragging down, I want the formula to continue for the subsequent cells. You can see, and there we already have our total. Now average. There is also a function for average. You can see it's also here. So I, however, can't use the function since there is a column for total. We're already separating our column for average from these maps. So what I'll do, I'll have to use a formula. Now our formula for average will be equals to average for what? I want for what is my first cell reference that can say it's already here, C5. C5 to F5. F5 can see, then I enter. Now that is my average. So if I make this cell active, I'll see the formula up in the formula bar here. Can see. Now what I'll do, I'll drag it down, meaning the formula can apply for the rest of the cells too. Can see. And just like that, we have our average. Average maps for each of these pupils. Now next, we have to grade them. However, here, we can't get the grade for total, meaning each subject should have its own grade. So that's why I created a different column for grade besides each of the subjects, meaning I'm going to clear this column and deleting this. Now we need to make a formula that will apply for the rest of all this. So what you do, you enter the formula. So this is our formula I've entered. If C5 is where our marks for English is, the cell reference is less than 39, meaning someone should be given F9. If it's less than 45, someone should have plus 8. If it's less than 50, plus 7. If it's less than 55, C6. If it's less than 60, C5. If it's less than 65, C4. If it's less than 70, C3. If it's less than 75, D2. And otherwise, D1. So you're going to close with the 8 brackets plus the additional one, which is the final one. Then you enter. So our formula is here. Fully, it's here. Now formula bar. Now what we are going to do, we are going to press enter. We're going to press enter. there is a problem with this formula, so I have to rectify this in order to get our marks here, which will apply for all. And there you go. Still, there is a problem with the formula. We check and rectify. Our grade has come here. You can see. So what we'll do, we'll drag it to the last cell so that it applies for all the cells. You can see that is our grade. Now for this grade, we are only going to change. We are going to type, but we'll change our cell reference to E5 since it's not C5, we have to change it to E5, which corresponds to our marks for mathematics. And we have for the second, the grades for mathematics. We drag it down. There we go. Next, we still put in the formula to get the grade for maths and science. And this is for our last grade column for social studies. You drag it down. Now these formulas are in such a way that if you click, you can see the formula used in the formula bar for each. You can see. So next we have to generate a comment. Now we are going to generate a comment from total. Say for example, anyone who gets a total of less than 250 has failed. So this also requires a formula. Let's enter our formula. Our formula here will be equals to bracket. Since we are using average, now we are using total. Any total less than 250 fail. Any total above 250 passed. So our formula will be if bracket our K5 less than 250, comma, fail, comma, otherwise pass. In a bracket, then we enter. So you can see this one, the monothermal with a total of 343 has passed. So we drag it down so that the formula proceeds for the rest. Now you can see we have a team Edwin with a total of 112 has failed, and Kumakach Ronald with a total of 215 have failed. So this is how we can easily generate a report card using Microsoft Excel. Now all you can do, you can apply some borders to your document. can see to make it to highlight. Now this is our report card. Can simply fill in now to the paper report card or the physical report card, but you have generated it using Excel. That's all about generating a report card using Microsoft Excel. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more videos yet to come. Thank you.